Hello. So, in the process of helping people out with AI solutions, I've noticed that people need a lot of help with organizing their information, and that's something that AI can do. It's just a matter of which solution works best for you.
So, while I do enjoy helping people come up with solutions and making their work easier, more efficient, and for myself, I would have to admit that what's more important to me is teaching AI literacy, as well as doing research and looking into how countries in Africa are developing technologies and solutions that are solving real active problems. Because the truth is, most of us will come in contact with AI whether or not we are aware of it, especially if we're living in areas where technology is being used. In the US, I see that schools are using AI to assist with learning, and social services are using AI to help people out with getting their services, but they may not be aware that AI is being used. As far as Africa and their innovation, I'm very excited to see how that is going to play out in the future because they are building solutions there that are solving real problems. I know in the US they're solving problems here as well, but in Africa they have this collective understanding of creating solutions that are going to expand access to healthcare, education, and vehicles that run on renewable energy. That's very exciting to me. Solutions like connecting farmers to buyers, it's really, really good. However, whether it's a country in the Western world or in the African nation or in Asia, I think AI literacy is really important, especially for the public users that are not so knowledgeable on the technology. This is for safety, safety, safety. So go ahead and like and subscribe and share this video. All right, until next time.